The funeral for 4 Malian soldiers killed in an attack by Islamist extremists on Saturday was held in Sevare on Sunday. Members of the army, politicians and friends and family of those killed attended the funeral. A jihadist group is strongly suspected of carrying out the hotel siege in Mali that ended with the deaths of 13 people, including 5 UN workers. That's according to a security source in the country. The source said that although at this stage there is no formal proof that the attack was carried out by the Messina Liberation Front, strong suspicions point to this group. The group is believed to be linked to Ansar Dine, the Arabic for Defenders of Faith, which is one of the groups that took control of Mali's vast semi-arid north in April 2012. Sevare, a garrison town about 600 kilometers northeast of the capital Bamako, is at the heart of Mali's tourism industry and up until now had not been targeted in the attacks more common in the northern towns of Gao and Timbuktu. Maria Galang, CCTV.